Hey everybody, my name is Ben. I've been in Shinju for 2 months. Today we are going to try some of the local foods and who knows which one I like the best. Let's go! For our first stop, we're going to try some spring rolls. Inside you can see we have some pork, some tofu, some radishes, and cabbage and peanuts all rolled up. So let's see how it is. So just had the first bite. It's crunchy. The skin stretches a little bit, and there's a lot of really nice textures inside and good taste. So it's good to me. Next we have a Taiwan classic, the oyster omelet, which is like a crepe with egg and lettuce and oysters and a sweet sauce on top. You can find it everywhere in Taiwan. Pancake's nice, crunchy, the oyster is fresh, you can taste it salty. That sauce is really sweet though, kind of overwhelms the taste for me personally, but it's really good. Now it's time for some dessert. This is one of my favorites, the traditional Chinese ice. So let's see, I'll have this, and both of these. So good, especially on a hot day. The ice is cold, that sugar syrup, man, it's dangerous how good that is. There's a special way to eat it though, so you don't just make a mess.